This parking space is too tight for a normal exit. If you start backing up right away, the rear of the car will quickly run out of room while the front is still trapped inside the parking space. Even if you try to shift the car sideways, there still won't be enough room to correct your position. That's why you need the reverse offset technique, which helps move the rear of the car out much faster. Here's how it works. First, create a sideways shift by turning the steering wheel to the left and backing up. Then, leave a small gap, turn the wheel to the right, and let the body move as close as possible to the side where the rear needs to exit, in this case, the left side. Now, turn the wheel left again and continue backing up. As soon as a noticeable gap appears, stop. Save the remaining space for the next backward movement. Then, turn the wheel to the right and back up again, bringing the car as close as possible to the rear of the other vehicle. After that, move forward a little. Then, repeat the same sequence. Turn left and back up. As soon as the body starts moving away from the rear of the car on the left, immediately turn the wheel to the right and continue backing up. Then, move forward again. After repeating this process several times, the rear of your car will be able to swing into the correct position. At that point, you'll have enough room to make the final adjustment. Now, turn the wheel to the right and move forward. Then, turn left once more and back up. You'll be able to pull out of the space successfully. Struggling with parallel parking? The solution is right here on your screen.